Hey, I'm Sean Gaffner, one of the owners here at the Roost. We really love whiskey. We have over 100 whiskeys, so many great local ones, but also coming from Japan and India and Scotland and Ireland. And we are all about whiskey here. We want to be known as Longmont's Whiskey House. We also have over 40 beers. Longmont is known for amazing breweries, and we have all of them on display, plus some other of our favorites. Every Friday and Saturday night at 8:30, we have really great live music with no cover charge.